Hello everyone, Jesse here with Absolutely Clean Window Washing, coming to you here with a Cedar Shake soft wash roof cleaning job today. And this is the back of the house on a lake, and we're going to do a back before side video and after video. We will also do a front side before and after video, and we will also do some before and after pictures, so please stay tuned to the end of this video for the before and after results. If you have a Cedar Shake roof anywhere in Minnesota that needs to be cleaned, please give us a call, 612-919-4185, 612-919-4185. Thank you. Hey everyone, thanks for staying tuned. Just doing a short during video here. We got the whole right side of the house sprayed. We are working on a little bit of the left there where you see my ladder, and above my ladder there, we gotta do that little eyebrow right there above that door, and then that should wrap up this back side. Appreciate you guys staying tuned, and hang tight for the before and after pictures, and also we're going to do before and after video of the front. Thank you very much. Thank you for continuing to watch this video. Here is the final results of soft washing the Cedar Shakes on the back of this home. If you have a property anywhere in Minnesota that you'd like soft washed, please give us a call, 612-919-4185. We can soft wash any roof. We also specialize in decks and siding. If you have a property anywhere in Minnesota that needs soft washing, please give us a call, 612-919-4185. You can see to the top right of that ladder, by the third vent over from my ladder, you can see it's a little dark there. Resprayed that area and it will dry the same color as the rest of the roof. I hope you guys are enjoying watching this video. Please continue to watch for the before and after pictures. At the end of this video, we're also going to do a before and after video of the front. Thank you so much. Back again everyone with the side of this home. We were just back here, obviously on that little castle part area. This is the side of the home. This is not the front of the home yet. But as you can see, the Cedar Shakes are very dark over here. Please stay tuned for the after video of the side of this roof here. We might do a during video of this side as well. Thank you so much, and please stay tuned. Hey everyone, here's the after video of the side here. The top highest roof there, the shakes are new, brand new. So they look a little bit different. But as you can tell, the roof looks amazing now. These are the results you can expect with soft wash Cedar Shake roof cleaning. Please give us a call if you want a roof cleaned anywhere in Minnesota, 612-919-4185, 612-919-4185, and please stay tuned for the before and after of the front. Hey everyone, here's the front of the home. The sun's really hitting it kind of at a funny angle. It's hard to tell how dirty it is. I hope the front of this house shows you the before and after here, but it's not really easy to get the front of this house here, so I'm going to do my best to give you an idea. We have done part of this roof already over here, not the whole thing. I think you'll be able to tell here, especially on these parts up there, some of that's been done already too, but I hope you get the idea. We will try to do an after video from the same spot here. And I took a picture before. I'm going to take one after, and we'll see how it turns out. Hey everyone, here's an after video of the front of the home. There's a lot of brand new Cedar Shakes on this home, and so some of the shingles look a little different than the others. So we soft washed every single Cedar Shake on this whole property here today, and I think it came out absolutely beautiful. If you have a cedar roof anywhere in Minnesota that you would like soft washed, please give us a call, 612-919-4185, 612-919-4185, and we literally just finished spraying this about 2 minutes ago. So again, if you have a cedar roof anywhere in Minnesota that you want soft wash, please give us a call, 612-919-4185. Thank you. And please enjoy the before and after pictures.